Hello there. We have a lot of rock on our property, and we use it for various projects, but it's often not easily accessible. If I couldn't reach the stone with the tractor, I would use a strap and pull the rock into an area where the tractor can get a hold of it. The strap has worked very well, as you will see here, but there are times, depending on the shape of the stone or where it is lying, that it's difficult for the strap to get a grip on it. And the strap takes quite a beating when I use it for this. But a little while back, I was watching one of Ed's videos at My Cluttered Garage. His video was about a really nice set of log tongs, and as I'm watching, I'm starting to think that this is just what I need, but not for logs, for stone. So after some searching the internet for design ideas, this is what I came up with. I'll put in the description where I got the inspiration for building this. So far, it is working very well, even with irregular shaped rock or rock with rounded corners, and is holding up to my abuse. The ratchet strap gives the tongs a grip on the stone, holding them in place until I can put some tension on the chain. I still use the strap a lot, but it's really nice to have both at my disposal. That chain hook that I welded to the back of the bucket has really come in handy. Using a pin to lock the tongs in this position makes them a lot easier to carry around. I am finding that where the tongs really shine is when I'm placing stone in a wall. In this case, the strap would be pinned under the stone. I'll make a video soon on how I built the tongs, the measurements, and the materials that I used, in case you have an interest in building a set for yourself. Thanks for watching, and take care.